Hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. Do you have a health clinic? Then I have this amazing AI assistant just for you that will reply to the queries that you will receive on your WhatsApp 24/7. Let me show you how this assistant is going to work for you first. So this is my WhatsApp AI assistant and I will ask my first question, that is, can I book appointments on WhatsApp? So this is my first question I'm asking towards this AI assistant bot. It will take few seconds to send the reply back to me, so you have to wait over here for a few seconds to see the reply that I will receive. And I received the reply, yes, we book appointments on WhatsApp. My next question is, do you treat emergencies? Okay, so this is my next question I'm forwarding. I will wait for the reply. No, Noah Care Smart Clinic does not treat medical emergencies. We handle non-emergency outpatient care only. You can see I've received this reply as well. I have my last question. Do I need to do advanced payment? Okay, so this is my last question. I will wait for the reply. I've received the reply, yes, advanced payment is required to confirm your booking. So now, as you see, this WhatsApp assistant is replying to all my queries. This is how this AI assistant is going to work in real time. Now, without wasting any further time, let's dive into the creation of this amazing AI assistant. I create WhatsApp AI assistant as well as WhatsApp chatbots very easily and efficiently without need of any coding and programming skills for a long time with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, which is an amazing software. So you can also create such amazing AI assistant and WhatsApp chatbots for yourself right away using the software. Now, in order to access Pabbly Chatflow, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow and you will come to the landing page of this software. If you're logging in for the first time, simply sign up for free. From here, you will receive 100 credits, 100 free credits, using which you can explore the features of Pabbly Chatflow right away. You can create this AI assistant for free as well using those credits that we have given you. Okay. Now, if you're planning to purchase a yearly or lifetime plan of Pabbly Chatflow to automate your business conversations, WhatsApp conversations as well, I have a gift for you. The coupon code ANGYT that you can see on the left side of my screen will get you instant discounts on the purchase. So go ahead, use the code, purchase our plans and automate your WhatsApp conversations. Now log in. You will come to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow just like this. If you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number, that means create the entire setup of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to learn about the features of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you can check out all the video links added in the description section below. The code is also added, ANGYT, in the description section from where you can copy. Okay, now to create an assistant, go towards this assistant section and add the assistant from here. For the name of this assistant, I will give it as assistant for health clinics. Okay, I'm going to add this assistant from here, and as soon as I will do that, you will see automatically assistant is added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Now we need to fulfill certain sections. First is AI instruction, under which we have to select the type first, for which I'll select AI agent. According to the type, instructions that are roles and responsibilities of this assistant is going to appear right here. If you want, you can eliminate, edit or create or add on more points in this instruction section according to your requirements. Temperature. Temperature is a range of 0 and 1. 0 being focused replies, 1 being creative replies from the AI assistant. I will select the temperature as 0.5 because I want both focused and creative replies. AI assistant use, I will use OpenAI. For the model, I will use GPT-5 mini. For having the API key, go towards this hyperlink directly. You will land towards API key section of your OpenAI account. Generate the key from this top right corner button. Name the key according to your requirement right over here. Select the project, give permissions as all, create the key from here. Copy this key and paste it down this key right over here in the field and click on this connect button. Now after that, it is asking for AI assistant settings, under which if you want header message or footer message, you can toggle the button on. If you want to add in the stop keywords, you can toggle this button on, and if you want the retry attempt, you can toggle this button on as well. Last is fallback message. This message is only going to be forwarded if the API key is not responding correctly. Okay. Next is knowledge source section. Knowledge source is a documentation where you have explained your business about. As we have created this video for healthcare clinic, for healthcare clinic, you have to enter the details about your healthcare clinic, like what's the name, what is the motto, everything. You have to enter it inside this documentation. Services, timing, everything. And then from the document, the AI will learn about your business and reply to the queries. So to upload the document, go to this section, add the file from here, go to this button right over here. This is my knowledge base. I will upload my Pabbly Chatflow account. Select the documentation and insert the file. And as soon as I will do that, under knowledge sources section, you will see the documentation has been uploaded if you will see the vector ID. After knowledge source, next is assistant interface. Assistant interface is required when you're adding this AI assistant on your website. If you have your Health Clear Clinic website, on the website on the corner, you can add a support agent like this. You can do that with Pabbly Chatflow as well, okay? If you want to add in the brand name over here, what you have to do is you have to just copy the name of your brand and paste it down in the field. If you want to change the display subheading, initial message, enable, disabled by Pabbly, add in a footer link like this, you can do it from this section. And next is users first message. If you're receiving the message from your users end, what is the usual first message you receive, you have to enter it over here, okay? Last is styling. If you have your own business, you will have a different brand, like your own colors, backgrounds, pictures, and everything that tells about your business. And so now if you want to change the interface of this specific WhatsApp assistant, you can do it from this styling section right here. I do not want that, so I'll skip the part. Assistant has now been created successfully. In order to activate this assistant, toggle the button on and save the assistant from here. Assistant has been activated as well. In order to add the assistant on website, go to embedded, copy the script from here, paste it on your website code. Your assistant will be added on your website code as well. Assistant has now been created successfully. Now let's test it. I will ask my last question towards this AI assistant, that is, can I reschedule my appointment? This is my last question I'm asking towards this WhatsApp AI assistant. Let's see what kind of a reply I will receive from this AI assistant that we have created right now, okay? Yes, you can reschedule once. To reschedule, you can see the steps are given. So as this AI assistant is replying successfully, the assistant creation has now been done. If you have questions or doubts related to this creation, comment down below. I will reply to you as soon as possible. Now, one thing, if you want this assistant should be automatically enabled to all the WhatsApp chats, so for that you have to go towards settings and inbox settings section. You have to scroll down till the end of the inbox settings. You will see the option of AI auto reply settings. Enable this setting on. Select the contact list to whom you want to automatically assign this assistant to, and then select the assistant that you want to assign and save this rule from here. To all the contacts, this assistant will be automatically enabled on their inbox chats. If you want to a specific user, this assistant should be assigned. For that, simply open the chat in inbox. Under the phone number, you will see the option of choose assistant. Toggle the button on and select the assistant from the drop down. Towards this chat, this assistant will be assigned as well, okay? So now this is how you create the assistant without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Chatflow. Use the code ANGYD to purchase the plans and automate the WhatsApp conversations for yourself. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this WhatsApp automation, you can use Pabbly Chatflow for different WhatsApp use cases as well. If you want to know about the different pricing plans of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link given over here on the screen. And if you want to email us or ask any queries, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all the queries as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.